we need to understand why partnership form of business organization. Yes, why does a partnership form of business organization come into existence? Yes, the partnership form of business organization grew out of the limitation of sole proprietorship. Yes, due to certain limitation in sole proprietorship, partnership form of business organization came into existence. Yes, what are the limitation of sole proprietorship? When the business expands, one man cannot manage all functions in the business. He cannot supervise and manage all the functions of the business person. Yes, the limitation, one of the biggest limitation of sole proprietorship is the constraint of time and constraint of capital. Yes, what do you mean by constraint of time? One person cannot be there in multiple places. Yes, or cannot manage all the functions of the business himself. Yes, due to that limitation, partnership form of business organization came into existence. And also another limitation of sole proprietorship is the limitation of capital. One individual cannot bring in more capital than what his limit permits. Yes, due to which partnership form of business organization came into existence. Yes, when business needs to be expanded, one individual cannot manage everything. Due to that limitation, partnership form of business organization came into existence. He cannot supervise and manage all the function of the business personally. Therefore, two or more persons join hands and combine their capital and skill to run a business. Yes, so when two or more people come together, yes, and combine their capital as well as how much skill and knowledge they have, that sort of business organization is known as partnership. This sort of business organization is known as partnership. Partnership is nothing but an extension of sole proprietorship, where in sole proprietorship is one individual managing everything. In case of partnership, it is more than one individual, two or more individuals managing everything. Yes, so partnership is nothing but an extended version of sole proprietorship.